Hey there, this is Sam Chan, physical therapist at Bespoke Treatments, New York. Today we're going over the heel slide. So starting off on the floor, we're going to grab non-elastic strap. So a stretch strap, yoga strap, even a dog leash can work for this exercise. What we're trying to do is increase your range of motion and work on that knee flexion, bending. And then take the strap, place it right at the toes. Now we're going to really try to use your arms to do all the work in this drill. I'm going to start pulling with my arms, sliding your heel in close to yourself. Try to let the hands do all the work. Once you feel you can't get any further, pause here for a 2-second rest. Just kind of sitting into the stretch, then allow your leg to slide back out. We're going to repeat this for 5 to 10 reps. Use the arms again to pull straight in. Just really trying to work into just a low-grade level of discomfort, increasing your knee flexion. Do a couple more times. 1, 2, and out. Now, as we're working on this drill, what you don't want to do is push super quick or super aggressively. I like to think of it as just knocking on the door, just entering that threshold of discomfort, but not pushing through the discomfort. And there we have it, heel slide.